Today, I'm reviewing Cryptotrader, a popular automated trading bot designed for cryptocurrency traders. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced user, Cryptotrader offers a range of features aimed at streamlining and optimizing your trading strategy. Let's dive into the platform and see how it performs. Upon logging into Cryptotrader, you're greeted with a clean and organized dashboard. The user interface is intuitive, making it easy to navigate through different sections. The main dashboard provides an overview of your trading performance, active bots, and available trading pairs. From here, you can quickly access key features, such as strategy configuration, market analysis, and backtesting. One of the standout features of Cryptotrader is its strategy marketplace, where users can either create their own trading strategies or purchase pre-configured ones from other traders. This is a valuable feature for those who may not have the technical knowledge to code their own trading algorithms. Strategies can be customized based on indicators, risk management settings, and trading pairs, making it a flexible tool for traders of all experience levels. Cryptotrader supports integration with multiple exchanges, including Binance, Coinbase Pro, Kraken, and Bitfinex. The ability to connect to various exchanges allows traders to diversify their portfolio and take advantage of different market conditions. Setting up an API connection is straightforward, with clear step-by-step instructions provided within the platform. Another key aspect of Cryptotrader is its backtesting functionality. Before deploying a strategy with real funds, users can test their trading algorithms against historical data to evaluate performance. This is an essential feature for minimizing risk and ensuring that strategies are optimized before live trading. The backtesting tool provides detailed analytics, including profit and loss calculations, trade frequency, and drawdown levels. Security is always a major concern when using a trading bot, and Cryptotrader offers various security measures to protect user accounts. API keys are encrypted, and users can enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. However, as with any automated trading platform, users should exercise caution and avoid granting withdrawal permissions to the bot. Cryptotrader offers multiple subscription plans based on user needs. Plans range from basic, which includes a limited number of bots and features, to more advanced plans that provide access to higher trading volumes and premium strategies. Pricing is competitive compared to other trading bots, and users can choose a plan based on their trading frequency and strategy complexity. Many useful links can be found in the description. Do this after looking video.in terms of performance. Cryptotrader executes trades efficiently based on pre-configured strategies. The automation eliminates emotional trading and ensures that trades are executed according to predefined parameters. However, like any trading bot, it is not a guaranteed way to make a profit. Market conditions can be unpredictable, and users should continuously monitor their strategies to make adjustments when necessary. One of the benefits of Cryptotrader is its cloud-based infrastructure. Unlike some trading bots that require software installation, Cryptotrader runs entirely in the cloud, meaning users do not have to keep their computer running for the bot to function. This makes it convenient for traders who prefer a hands-off approach. The support and community aspects of Cryptotrader are also worth mentioning. The platform provides detailed documentation, FAQs, and a support team to assist users with any issues. Additionally, there is an active user community where traders share strategies, discuss market trends, and help newcomers navigate the platform. Overall, Cryptotrader is a well-rounded automated trading bot that caters to both beginners and experienced traders. It provides a comprehensive set of features, from strategy customization to backtesting and multi-exchange support. While automation can be a great tool for crypto trading, users should always conduct their own research and implement risk management strategies to protect their funds. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth crypto reviews and trading insights. Stay tuned for more content, and I'll see you in the next video.